friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to review a book from one of my favorite authors, RoaldDahl. I know many of you like RoaldDahl books. And some of my favorite RoaldDahl books are, of course, Matilda and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. These two I already reviewed in my channel. So today, I'm going to review one of my favorite RoaldDahl books, and it's a really funny one. George's Marvellous Medicine. See, the illustrations are so funny. And it's as usual illustrated by Quentin Blake, RoaldDahl's favorite illustrator. So the story is about a boy named George. You can see George's picture in the front cover. He lives with his parents and his grandmother in a small house. When George's parents are around, Grandma is always nice to George. But when his parents are not around, oh, the nasty things she does to him. So one day, his parents go out for shopping, and George has the duty to give Grandma her medicine. But George really hates that wicked, witchy old woman. So he decides to make her a medicine, a magic medicine, a medicine that no other doctor would have ever made before. So the ingredients that he used in this medicine are really funny. It made me laugh so much. So the story is, either this medicine will cure Grandma or either it'll blow off the top of her head. So now I'm going to show you some of the illustrations in this book. So let's go. Look, this is George. He's taking the saucepans to make his own marvelous medicine. Look at all the stuff he's taking. That's funny. Animal medicines. Look, now he's pouring his marvelous mixture into a bottle. Can you see him? Uh-oh. Now he's going to give this medicine to Grandma. What's gonna happen next? Well, that you have to read and find out. But friends, if you're planning to read this book, look, in the front page itself, there's a warning. Do not try to make George's marvelous medicine yourselves at home. It could be dangerous. There are lots of things in the book that are going to make you laugh. I'm giving this book 4 out of 5 rating. So friends, you must try this book. I hope you all liked today's review. I'll come with another interesting book soon. Bye bye. Take care.